We like to tell clients that it's never too late to do estate planning, but we always tell people that even if they wait until the very end, that we can generally help them save at least half of their assets. But in reality, there does come a point in time when it is too late. I'm reminded of a customer who called us from the hospital. It was about 5 o'clock on one of the days, maybe a Wednesday, and he called and said that he was in the hospital. He had gotten a bad diagnosis and had not done any estate planning. And he asked us if we could come to the hospital and help him get an estate plan in order because he had a spouse and kids that he was wanting to take care of. We told him it was too late that day for us to get by the hospital, and we asked him if it would be okay if we came in the morning. Turns out morning wasn't fine. The gentleman didn't make it through the night, and he was unable to do an estate plan. He had waited too long. And as a result, his family all of their assets were tied up in probate for a long period of time. His wife couldn't even use their bank account to go buy groceries or gas, and so it was a very difficult situation that he had put his family in because they had waited simply too long to do estate planning. So a lot of people ask us that question, when should they do estate planning? And the answer we always give them again is the best time to do an estate plan is 20 years ago. But the next best time to do an estate plan is right now. Just like when you go to plant a tree, the best time to plant a tree is 20 years ago, and the next best time is right now. So we always tell people, go ahead and do it while you can, and while you're vertical, and not when you're horizontal laying in the hospital.